Hello everybody, it's me, Kimberly. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, whether it's the first video you've ever seen of mine or if you just came back for more. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope you stick around, watch what we got in these boxes, and also, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you can never miss out on any of the fun that we do here on this channel. But I'm not going to ramble too much, we're just going to go right ahead into the unboxings. So first off, we have Boxycharm. It's cut open and it won't stay closed all the way. Like I always cut the tape and things keep falling out of it, so I'm kind of excited to see into it. But before I open it, we gotta talk about what is a Boxycharm. Just in case you're one of the few people that haven't heard about it, Boxycharm is a makeup subscription service, I don't know, that you get every single month. You pay $21 a month and you get, I would say closer to $200 worth of makeup and beauty products. I think they only guarantee like over $100 because sometimes it's literally like $100 worth, but either way you get way more than your money's worth in Boxycharm. I love Boxycharm. It is the one makeup subscription service I will never quit. I have gotten so many great brands that I would have never paid for myself, thanks to Boxycharm. So, there will be a link down in the description box if you want to sign up, but otherwise, let's just see what's in here. So every single month, they do have a theme, and this month is Rock 2018. Wait, this is January's box, right? Yeah, it is. It's been sitting on my vanity for a while, so I was like, oh no, wait. Yes, this is January's box, and it's Rock and Roll Soul. So, we've got Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. Well, obviously everybody knows Dr. Brandt is an amazing brand. I have tried a few of their things, and I've loved every single thing that I've tried from this brand, so I will definitely be giving this a try. And that retails for $38. So already we've got more than the box is worth. Then we've got IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyebrow Pencil. My box is kind of smushed. So it says universal, but I never believe that because this says universal taupe. I don't think taupe really works when your hair is as dark as mine. Let me see. You gonna come out? Oh yeah, that's definitely not gonna work. Okay, I'm not gonna swatch it or anything because I think it'll work for my sister. So I will just be handing that over to her. Go back in the box. That retails for $24. In case I didn't already say that, I might have already said that. Okay, next we have Grande Cosmetics Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumper. Ooh. This retails for $27. It's infused with Volulip and hyaluronic acid. Improves lip volume within 3 to 5 minutes. I already have lipstick on, but I really want to try this. It's got a before and after photo, and it like doubled the size of their lips, but it says after 30 days, so I guess if you use it every day, it's gonna make the plumping permanent, because that's pretty awesome. Also, this says Sunset Orange, so I think it's tinted. So it's like not something I could just wear over my lipstick. I mean, under my lipstick. Ooh. So it says, okay, so I'm guessing this plumps your lips over time, and you don't wear it under lipstick because they have, based on this little thing, they have quite a few colors, so I will definitely be looking into that because that seems kind of cool. I mean, I obviously already have pretty good sized lips, but they could always be plumper. I already see the palette, but I'm saving that for last. This is the Pure the Complexion Authority Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. So we got two palettes, but this one's a cheek palette, and it's super cute, super sleek looking. It's just like white with this silver and it retails for $34. Ooh. Oh my. I feel like I had something with these almost these exact same colors already. Maybe I watched somebody else unbox. I don't know. So we've got a bronzer, a highlighter, and a blush. They are all shimmer though, so honestly I probably would use them all for highlighting or cheek topper type things. Oh my gosh though, look at the pigmentation. Oh yes. Guys, these are so creamy. Let me see if I can zoom in and get a closer look for you guys. So here are the swatches. These colors are so gorgeous. They are very, very creamy. And I am excited to play with those. I gotta refocus. Okay, the last thing in here is an eyeshadow palette from Crown Pro, and it's a Glam Metals palette. It retails for $25, and it comes in this cute little thing. It says, rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metals eyeshadow palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eye looks a breeze. I'm not going to keep reading it because that's just too much. It's got like a little guitar with wings on the back. Well, that is cute. So the mirror here is guitar shaped, obviously, and these colors. The only matte is this black metal though, so definitely can't be used alone because I don't put shimmers in my crease. It just doesn't work for me, so I am gonna swatch a couple of these because they look gorgeous. So let's swatch Wild Thing, Heavy Metal, which is this blue jean looking one, and I think I'm gonna go for Rebel. I didn't really clean my fingers off. Hopefully they're not too dirty. So we've got like a, actually it looks more coppery now that I've swatched it than the blue jean looking, and the goldish. Oh my god. Wrong way. I'm so bad at this swatching on camera. That's all crooked. And I'll zoom in once again for you guys. So here is the colors. The top one's Rebel, then we had Wild Thing? I don't remember the names. I forgot them already, but they are super pretty colors, super shimmery, and super soft. So that is Boxycharm. If you want to sign up, don't forget there is a link in the description box down below. Okay, third time's the charm, hopefully. I went on and on about Soul Theory, only to look up and realize my memory card was full and that none of it had recorded. So then I fixed all that and went on and on about Soul Theory again, only to look up and realize I had put in the wrong memory card. I bought this one, and I'm not sure, I don't know too much about memory cards, I guess. I'm not sure what makes it different from the rest of them that I have. It's like, coloring is different, but it's the same brand and everything. But for some reason when I use this one, I can't film for more than 13 seconds at a time. So it somehow ended up in my little container for YouTube memory cards. I have separate ones for school and YouTube and stuff like that. But everything was messed up with that one. And then now I've got a new memory card in, you guys. So hopefully this will work this time. We are unboxing, wait, wrong way. We're unboxing Soul Theory. Yeah, let's not show my address. Soul Theory is a subscription box for sunglasses. They have multiple options at different price points, so you can get a little bit of creativity with what you want to afford and what you actually want to come in your box. They're every single month. You can get 1 pair of sunglasses, 2 pairs of sunglasses, a pair of sunglasses and a piece of jewelry, which is what I get. It's about $20. A pair of sunglasses and some makeup. A his and hers box, which has 2 pairs of sunglasses, 1 for him, 1 for her. I think they have just a his box, and they might have another 1 or 2, but I don't know for sure. Those are the only ones I memorize every month. I think that's it though. You can also get 20% off your first box by using offer code SHEWHO20. That is a special code just for you guys, and I will have it down below in the description box in case you forget. There will also be a link for you to go to the website and sign up. So, now we're going to go back to talking about the jewelry that's in this box, because it's the only thing I've got to pull out of this box. It is a gold, I keep wanting to say rose gold, but it's definitely just gold, earring and necklace set. So it's like a long dangly one, and at the end it's got even more dangles. And then the earrings are super small and little, and we're going to see if we can zoom in and get a closer look for you guys. So these are the little earrings. They're just like little circular little metal disc things, like flattened, hammered out little metals. And then it's just a long chain until you get to the end where you have this little pendant, and it's just round and has little stones in it. And then two little dangly strings with more little stones in it. Ignore all the makeup from the Boxycharm. So this month the jewelry actually had a price tag on it, and it said $37.99 each. I'm not sure why. It definitely doesn't look like $38 jewelry. It literally looks like $5 jewelry, just like all the rest have. This does not look like gold. It says Lead and Nickel Company. I don't know. If it was going to be 40 bucks, I would expect it to be real gold, like if I were buying it, but it doesn't say anywhere on it real gold, so I doubt that it is. Let's get back into this box. I mentioned earlier that they were doing something different because the straw is purple. Purple is my favorite color, in case you didn't know. You probably didn't, because I got like blue and pink and gold and stuff like that in my room instead. Purple's my favorite color. I don't really like decorating with it though. It's not, I don't know, every time I see decor that's purple I'm like, you could be cuter though. So the sunglasses, it looks like they're just going to start sticking price tags on the stuff, because this has price tag on it too, and it says $27.99. These, I don't know if I like them or hate them. Let's take them out of the bag. So they're gold, and the little, what are these called? The stems? The earpieces? I forgot. It gets thick and then thin. I kind of like that shape. That's kind of cute. And then it has the black ends. But the actual sunglasses are square and huge. But this is why I canceled, because every single pair of sunglasses they sent has this little bar across. Whether they're aviators or those like pointy little with the lines and everything that were fashionable for a few months there. Just every one they've sent had that little bar, so. Oh, this is tight. Ooh, I look glamorous. Sorry, I'm trying not to glare you guys with that ring light. I think I like these. I wasn't... Did that leave the other one in there too? No? Okay. I wasn't sure how I felt about them on first sight because they're square, and I don't actually own any square. I have round, little hipster shapes, cat eyes. I have like everything except square, and these are kind of cool. I think I look like a movie star with them on. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the links down below so that you can sign up for these boxes if you aren't already. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you come back to see me in the next one. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at SheWhoSpeaks, _ instead of spaces. I'm also on Snapchat at Kimberly.Nicole with a K, not a C. Go ahead and click on my face to become an adventurer and join our little family. And if you want to watch another one of my videos right now, there will be 2 on the screen for you to choose from. Thanks for watching. Bye!